Hi, in this video I will show my office and equipment. I moved to this house a couple years ago and I want to build a good space for remote work as an iOS developer and slowly build a YouTube studio as well. I work mostly remotely, then having a comfortable office was very important for me. When I just moved in, the office looked slightly different from how it does today. Within my research on how to improve my space, I saw a ton of office tours. Now that I have my own YouTube channel, I wanted to make one as well. The room itself is 2.28 meters wide and 3.43 meters long, making it 7.8 meters square, which is an okay space, but the slanted roof make it feel a bit smaller. Then my priority was how to use the space that I have in the best way possible. The desk is the Ikea Bekant standing desk, with a simple control for going up and down. A standing desk is nice for people that spend a long time at the desk, and even when sitting, adjusting the height to you is quite nice. The screen I use is a LG Ultrafine 5K display, which is set up with a monitor arm from Dell, and that allows me to modify the position of the screen quite easily, and also uses less space in the desk itself. As a monitor desk, I went with the Balolo Large monitor stand. What I like about it is its modularity and how different modules help you to keep your space clean. I have the module for the Mac, headphones and the Stream Deck. I can also put the keyboard away when I need to make more space in my desk. My computer is the M1 MacBook Pro with 32 GB of RAM, and I connect to the screen with the lightning cable, and also use the screen itself as a USB hub, as it has a bunch of USB-C ports behind. With my peripherals, I have the Elgato Wave XLR that connects to my Elgato Wave DX, which is in the Elgato low profile monitor arm. I'm not sponsored by Elgato, but I do have a lot of products because they work well together. I have a Stream Deck in here and a Elgato Facecam Pro as my webcam of choice. On top of my screen as well, I am using the screen bar Halo from BenQ that has a small remote control that to have a bit more light when needed. In here you can see my choice of headphones, the AirPods Max with USB-C, which I alternate using with my AirPods Pro. In my desk I also keep my M4 iPad Pro together with the Apple Pencil Pro. Since I'm a visual person, I like to jot down ideas in freeform or FigJam. I also keep nearby my A6000 Sony camera, which I really like, and I have it on a Falcam quick release that I can easily take my camera. My chair of choice is the Herman Miller embodied chair, which I really like, but I also felt that it was lacking without the headrest. So then I opted to get the Atlas headrest for this chair. To my right I have a Ikea VITTSJÖ shelf where I can display my Yu-Gi-Oh collection together with my Iron Man collectibles. And also I have here some books that are relevant to interests of mine, like drawing, engineering, productivity and so on. I also down here I have some extra video gear, for example my Ulanzi tripod 0Y. In the corner here I have this little couch that I got from some relatives that fits nicely in this space and is my preferred reading spot. I also use an Elgato master mount with a heavy base where I use a tube light as a custom reading light when I need it. The light doesn't fit that much here. Over here I have my backpacks of choice. In this case, the Big Design 20-liter backpack, which I use for camera gear, and the Tula 20-liter backpack, which is more like my everyday tech backpack. This shelf is from Ikea, and it's nice with the sliding doors for storage in this space, and it fits nicely with the space that I have on the ceiling. I have other batch of books here that I use for backdrops for video and to get a bit of like a decoration. I have a little plant, and then the Philips Hue light screen bar. I have my other lenses like the Sigma 60mm and like the kit lens that came with the A6700. Over here I have my printer of choice, which is the Epson XP970, which can print pictures in a good quality. To the left of my desk I have on the top like an Ikea pegboard, where I have like some camera gear like the GoPro, some things for the Insta360 Flow. I have an Ikea Alex furniture where I have like more camera gear, more small things like the DJI Mic 2. I keep my gimbal in here, cables, USB-C cables, the Big Design tech pouch. I also have other video gear, USB-C cables, capture cards. I use this Ulanzi fan for the A6700 to avoid overheating when I record long sessions of video. And on the top I have some charging station for my test devices and the Elgato teleprompter when it's not in use. I'm quite happy with the evolution of my home office. If I were to mention areas of improvement, it would probably be lighting or the colors on the walls. I will list all my equipment in the description down below. I hope you enjoyed the video, and until the next one.